In this video, I will show how to install TeslaCloud on the single board PC like Raspberry Pi. You can use this solution for home automation or for IoT solutions or for industry projects. Preliminarily, we install on Raspberry Pi operation system and make connection to Wi-Fi and its internet. So you can now install TeslaCloud. You can open console on Raspberry Pi or like me by using SSH connection from other PC. To install, you can make automation installation or manually. You can find how to install automatically from our site and user manual. Open automatic connection and use this string for automatic installation of TeslaCloud. It takes some time, so I will skip this installation process in this video. It's already installed, TeslaCloud is already installed, and you can check it by using the checking of service that be run after installation. Let's check, and you can see it's running. It's installed Java, PostgreSQL and Nginx service for web, and you can check now web in the web browser how the server is installed. Let's type IP address of our Raspberry Pi and you can see login page. First you can log in like admin, username admin and password 123456, and you can see admin page, admin profile. You can change password here. You can find server info in the other tab, and you can see the IP address and port that used in the server. Also, you can change language from English into other. Now it supports Russian and Spain. Now you should use Arduino project. I have ESP8266 and you should use the TeslaCloud library. You can connect to this library. You can find it in the link or in the Arduino ID library. You can see tags that are used in this project: humidity, temperature, LED, and analog signal for potentiometer. We use DHT11 for temperature and humidity. And you can see how set up tags in our project, and you can see how it added to the cloud client that connected to our TeslaCloud server. And you can see names that be separated by for hierarchy of the text. And finally, we run and see how its temperature and humidity provided when running the project. Also, it provides analog signal and LED. Now we connect to the TeslaCloud. You wouldn't see cards because you should first set up them. We will now set up and describe it how it in blocks, and you can find this text here: update, in settings text, and you can find text that being provided by ESP8266. And here you should set up cards. We already set it up for save video time. And you can, after setting up, save cards, and you can find them on the cards tab. But also you can set up the advantages of our TeslaCloud portal. You can set up not only cards, you can set up also screens, like in SCADA systems. But for these purposes, you should download TeslaSCADA and TeslaSCADA runtime from our site. ID is free, so you can set up it create screens without any problem and payments. First, in the SCADA project, you should set up cloud. So you can find IP address, user and password, and also we set up group ID, but it's not mandatory because it's just for our hierarchy, Uli home. And now you should set up tags. We create group for creation hierarchy, Uli home. It's not mandatory. Also, you can just in the root create tags, but in this case you should use the same names in the ESP project in Arduino ID. So you can find out how to set up tag. And after creating tags, you should create graphical objects. In this example, we use simple objects, but you should more complex graphic use. And you can find out how it works. It's create to the TeslaCloud and get text from cloud from ESP through our cloud solution. And now you open web browser and see our screen in web browser. But when TeslaSCADA runtime stop, the screen will be not shown. So you should save this screen in settings screens tab. So you should enable save screens, save these settings, and also save screen you want to save. In our case, it's screen 1. Here will be save icon without not garbage, like in this video. And now you can use screens without TeslaSCADA runtime. It's very simple project for home automation, but also it's possible to use in industry by using more complex projects. For example, you can open, we'll show by using our old project for industry and set up TeslaCloud for this project to connect to our Raspberry Pi server of our servers that installed on Raspberry Pi. So you can find out in cloud settings. And now let's open this project in TeslaSCADA runtime and run it. Let's open it. Run. And it's connected to Modbus device and get text now from the Modbus device and provide it in TeslaCloud. And you can read it from the cloud. You can use Android clients, iOS clients to connect to TeslaSCADA server and create your project based on the project that we use for providing data to the server. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.